Hi guys, Scott here, and I am doing a review today for a new product that's just released called Viral Soci Master. This one is really cool. I like it because it's newbie friendly. You don't have to have a budget to start, and that takes a couple of the big obstacles away. At least those were my obstacles when I started. And I think there's a lot of people out there that have the same struggles. So this is what it is. You are turning local restaurant owners into high-paying clients. It's a little-known viral traffic method that drives real customers through their doors. Okay, keep this in mind. We're on the sales page right now. I'm not going to read this sales page to you. You can read it yourself. There's a few points I want to make. 100% free viral traffic. Newbie friendly. A simple method. Zero startup budget. Zero tech skills. It's basically copy paste. You can do this over and over again and make money. It takes about 10 minutes and you make money without stepping outside the door of your house. I like it. There's certain things that when I read this kind of set off a red light for me. The free viral traffic I wasn't sure about until I got access to this and saw what it is. Yes, it's true. It's simple, it's newbie friendly. Yes, it is. Do you have to have a big budget to start up? No. Tech skills you don't need. The copy paste steps I like. Now here's the one that set off some red flags for me. Simple 10-minute setup. Okay. Here's what I have experienced over the years when I've looked at different products and got in and tried them. They said 10-minute setup, and to be honest with you, I was technically challenged when I was new. I didn't understand a lot of things, so a 10-minute setup was not reality for me. And it may not be reality for you unless you've been around a while and have done this before. But regardless, after looking at this, you could actually get this going for yourself within probably 20 to 30 minutes if you are just brand new and are technically challenged. So when I read and learned what this is all about, no problem. You can do that. There's a whole bunch of things on here. There's, income proof. There's all these different things. You can see all this on the sales page for yourself. I am not going to go into all that with you right now. Instead, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take you over here to the members area. I'm very grateful I had the chance to look at this and check it out. I don't want to go into everything with the training modules, because that wouldn't be fair to the product owner and the creator. That wouldn't be right. But needless to say, there's the big picture, how it works, ways to get paid, get clients, Facebook events, all these things. There's bonuses. There's all that in there. I want to go back over here to the sales page because as I went through the members area, and now there's PDF and videos to go through. So whichever way you like to do to study and learn this stuff, it's there for you. Personally, I like the videos because I can pause it and not lose my place when I'm reading. So there is that. This is one that I would recommend to pretty much anybody if they're motivated to take action and do something. If you are not an action taker and the copying and pasting and sending emails or Facebook messages isn't something that you wouldn't do, do not get this. I don't want people to pick up something that is just going to sit on their computer and they're not going to do anything with. There's no point to it. But if you are an action taker and are motivated to build a business, then this is for you. So, that part I think is good. And, I have to say, there are bonuses. These are good ones too. This is how a guy landed 2 national brands as clients. There's 11 of these, and they're all really good. How to prospect small business owners. 11 ways to get clients. Local lender. You can go through all these. The outsourcing one is good. All these things are definitely things that are going to help you. But this one, number 7, Facebook event images. Images are huge on social media, and especially on Facebook, because they get people's attention. So these are all good. Checklists, retargeting, very good. Again, there's a whole bunch of things on here that you're going to like. What I'm going to do right now is take you over to this page. This is my bonus page. And so you're going to, I go into everything, what it's all about, what's involved. I actually go into the upsells. I think it's important that you know what you're getting into. And there's upsells. We like them, we hate them. Regardless, they're just there. And we have to deal with them. The front end, it's going between $14.95 to $17. And it's going to go up in very small increments throughout the launch. Again, what I had mentioned before, here the modules, 7 modules here, but there's bonuses also. But before we go into the bonuses, I like the big picture and the impact. The big picture is always good. We need to have a big picture so we know what we're doing and where we're going. And different ways to get paid, how to get clients, awesome. A Facebook local app, how to run this program, a Facebook event generator, which is a software, awesome. And how to show the value of what you're offering to the clients. So those are all really good. The bonuses here is a private members area in a Facebook mastermind group, which is really good because you can connect with other like-minded people and share what's working, what's not. That's always a good thing. Also how to outsource the whole thing. How to integrate Facebook events with Eventbrite for even more viral exposure. Now, that's what you're getting on the front end, but like I mentioned, upsells. Upsell number 1 is $37, and it is a viral Soci Master prospecting package. Has 3 videos with American accent and 3 with UK accents. So that is there. Upsell number 2 is also $37, and it gives you a Facebook event generator with 4 extra events for each of the 12 most popular restaurant niches. That's good. So, that is another upsell. And upsell number 3 is case studies. We need case studies. So to be honest with you, having a case study is like having someone hold your hand through the whole process. And it may bring things out that you didn't know, or maybe you look at it in a different light. So it's really good. It's definitely worth $37. For me, if we look just below the upsell, for me, this is ticking all the right boxes. 100% free viral traffic, simple, newbie friendly, zero startup. All those things I think are really good. Now, this bonus page, if you go in the description underneath this video, you're going to see the link to this bonus page. Come to this bonus page. Before we go, I'll show you a few bonuses that I'm going to give in addition to these others that I already mentioned. The headlines. We all need headlines. And even if when you're doing emails or a Facebook message, writing a compelling headline or opening statement is definitely going to help you out. And I also included some blogging information, because if you can get more traffic by blogging about this, and then sharing that content with different people and that are in this niche that you're going after. So these things help. So I've got a few bonuses that I've made that I am including in this, and what I want to do is help you to become successful with this. So check out the bonuses underneath this video, and click the link, come to my bonus page so you can see what's going on with this, and I think you're going to like what you see. And the only thing I can say is grab this at the lowest price possible. You're going to make money, and the good part here is I will be seeing you on the inside because I'm picking this up myself. So anyway, thanks for watching. I appreciate your time, and I will see you on the inside. Anyway, take care. Talk soon. Bye-bye.